In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion on an iPad, so you can harness the full power of this versatile application while on the go. Let's dive in and explore how this can transform your productivity across devices. First things first, to get started, head over to the Apple App Store and download the Notion Notes, Tasks, app. This dedicated app is optimized for the iPad, offering a better experience than using Notion through a web browser, especially when it comes to touch-based interactions and some advanced features. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, you're ready to sign in. You can do this easily using your email address, Google account, or even by creating a brand new account if you're new to Notion. After signing in, your data is synced automatically across all your devices. This means you can seamlessly switch between working on your desktop and your iPad without missing a beat. Everything stays up to date, whether you're using the browser, a Mac, Windows, or Android devices. Now, introducing you to the key features of Notion on your iPad. The navigation is quite user-friendly, featuring a left panel where you can access your workspaces, nested pages, and files. You can even hide this panel to have a cleaner and distraction-free workspace. Creating notes or new pages is simple. Just tap the plus icon and you're on your way to organizing your thoughts. Each page can be nested within others to maintain a well-organized workspace that suits your needs. When you're ready to add content, Notion uses blocks for text, headings, lists, images, and more. Type in an empty space, and a menu of options will appear at the bottom. If you're using a physical keyboard, you might find it handy to type the / key to access a full menu of available blocks and integrations like Google Drive and embedded content. The iPad app also includes Notion's AI features. Tap the sparkle icon or simply start typing to get assistance from the AI for questions, brainstorming, or summarizing your notes. Additionally, to make sure you can always access your important pages, you can enable offline access by tapping the menu in the top right corner of a page and selecting Available Offline. Should you need templates, there's a wide range available to choose from to help with habit tracking, project management, and more. Just tap the Templates button in the sidebar to find both free and paid options. For those of you with an Apple Pencil, it's supported for basic navigation such as scrolling and tapping, and also features Scribble for converting handwriting to typed text on iPad OS 14 and later. However, Notion doesn't support freehand drawing or dedicated handwriting features directly. A neat workaround is using a third-party app, like GoodNotes, where you can write your notes and then embed them as PDFs or images into Notion. Finally, while the iPad app is fantastic, it does have some limitations compared to the desktop experience. Some users note difficulties with dragging and dropping blocks and dealing with complex databases. The interface may feel more like an iOS app on a bigger scale, rather than a fully optimized tablet experience. Using an external keyboard and mouse can help alleviate some of these issues, giving you a closer desktop-like experience. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the essentials to make the most out of Notion on your iPad. Try exploring these features and see how they can enhance your productivity and organization today. Thanks for joining, and happy Notion-ing!